Turkey scholarship applications. You should go directly to Google Chrome and type Turkey Bursary. It's Turkish for Turkish scholarship. So you'll go to this first link, you press it. Let's wait for it. The internet is slow. Okay. You can see the Turkish scholarship website. So where we'll go right now is application and login. Then after, when you reach here, you'll have to register because you're new in application. Then after registering here, let's start registering. Let's say the student is Hussein. Juma, Amis, male, date of birth. Let's see here, let's write 2003 February. Let's write that. Nationality Tanzania. Email address, you write the email address that you use. So I'll be using this email address. It's ubcnewhope@gmail.com. You write the email here. Can't copy it. You're supposed to write it. ubcnewhope@gmail.com. Repeat the email again, ubcnewhope@gmail.com. Password, if you can write your own password that you can remember it. Okay. Secret question. Which food? What's my favorite food? Gali. Okay, I'm not a robot. Okay, let's do this verification. Stairs. Okay, approve. Everything is correct. Let's save. Yeah, approve, save. Okay, you'll go to the email site and you will look onto this. Let's see here. Yeah, the email came. Here it is. It's a verification link, so you click the link, it will directly take you here. So Anna Sci-Fi, you log in with the details that you the email address and the password that you wrote the first time. Okay, after logging in, you are in the system right now, the application system. So you just fill out your details here. You edit, fill out the details here, like your name, middle name, surname, marital status, if you're divorced, you're single, city, type of ID, you write a passport, you write your passport number, type of passport, it's ordinary passport. Country code of passport, you just write Tanzania. Yeah, Tanzania. Passport document, you'll just upload the document. Then after, remember I just made up the names, so I cannot upload them. Let's see. Also, in application you can apply without passport. You can use your national ID while waiting for your passport to come out. So, but after you get the scholarship, you cannot apply for the visa without having the passport. So after getting the scholarship, if you do not have the passport, your scholarship will automatically expire. So religion, belongings, you just write your religion. Ethnic, African. Disability, if you have any disability you write. If not, you just write I do not have any disability. Family information, you list them down: father, mother, number of siblings. Contact information, you write your contact information. If you have social media, you write them down: Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, you list them down. Educational information, here you start with middle school, which in our country we call it O level. High school, which is advanced level, from 6. Associated degree, we do not have in Tanzania. Yeah, I think we have it. It's diploma. For guys who wants to apply bachelor and they didn't go well in high school, they can also upload diploma. For ones who wants to upload for masters, they were supposed to upload bachelor, diploma from 6, and O level. Then after uploading them, you'll submit them. Language details, native language, you write it. It's Swahili, but you can add, because most of our schools are taught by English. You can write Swahili and English. Work experience, it's not needed because you can see a yellow sign, but if you have any, you can upload them. And if you have a CV, you can upload the CV. Qualification, if you have any qualification that either GRE, GMAT, SAT or LALES, you can upload them, but they are not compulsory. Social activities, any awards that you were granted before or previously, you can also upload them here, but it's not a must. It's not recommended. If you have them, but you can upload them. Turkey experience. Are you in Turkey or have ever been in Turkey? You answer this question honestly. If you're in Turkey, if you have ever been in Turkey, what's the purpose of staying in that country? Are you a member of association of Turkey Alumni? Do you have any relative who is currently or previously hold of a Turkish scholarship? You just answer the question yes or no, but faithfully and honestly. Then after you're done, you can see your application here. After you submit the documents, after you fill everything here, you can submit the document, your application, and after submitting your application will show here in any my previous application. So when shown here, you can see the results and status. The status will be ongoing, pending review. After the results come out, you'll see the results right here. Exam entry document, if they will be needed, they will be uploaded over there. So if you need to change the language, you can change it here. If you want to log out, you can log out here. If you want to request for something, you can request over here. So that's a short summary on how to apply for Turkish It's not hard. And I forgot, for after listing everything, the personal information, family information, contact, education information, language, work experience, academic, and everything, after doing this, you come to home page and apply now, right? After applying, your application will be shown here, where a pending review. So after filling everything, these details, you'll come to home page. Then after, you'll apply for the degree that you want to pursue, either associated degree, which is diploma, bachelor degree, which is bachelor, undergraduate, yeah, everyone knows that, master's degree, PhD, or research. So when you choose associated degree, you'll click apply. Then after clicking apply, let's click apply. You must add okay. They need me to add educational documents. So just in case, I cannot add because I made up the names. So after you click apply, they will list you in every city. The university will pop out. So after the university pop out, you just choose the universities that you think they are good or suitable for you. You choose them. Then after, you submit the application. After submitting the application, you wait for the results over here. Yeah. So I think that's just a general summary on how to apply to Turkish scholarship. If you have any question, you just reach out to me in our WhatsApp group or in this YouTube channel. So thank you so much, and let's keep in touch. I'll also upload other videos for other scholarship applications, because people are asking how can I log in, how can I apply. So I think this YouTube channel will have a great impact on how you apply for the scholarships. So thank you so much.